Hello everyone, welcome to Dickson's Java 101 tutorial 19. And today I'm going to teach you how to find the highest and the lowest element in the array. So let's get started. So I'm just going to do a recap, and finding the lowest and highest element in the array, we have to create an array first, and then we're just going to do random numbers generated into the array. So first of all, I'm going to create an int called list again equal to list array equal to new int, and then I'm gonna have the length of 5. So creating the array. So it's just a recap. And now I'm gonna generate random numbers. And to do this, we're just gonna use a for loop. Int I equal to 0. I is less than to list dot length. And then I plus plus. We're gonna generate inputted values, random values. So we're gonna use list I, because this is the array and we're associating to the for loop, is equal to int. We're upcasting it, and math dot random method times 100. I want to have a value from 0 to 100, or 1 to 100, so I'm going to plus 1. Good. So this is called inputting the random numbers. Now I'm just gonna print the numbers, printing the random numbers. And to do that, you have to use a for loop. So this is all recap, but it's good coding practice just to practice it. List.length I plus plus is my SO list I. So I'm just gonna run this because let's make sure that everything works. Awesome, printing random numbers 6743, good. And now this is what I want to teach you now. Sorting the numbers, finding what is the largest value. So sorting the largest element. So we have to think things logically to find the largest element in the array. To tell the computer what's the largest element in the array, we have to kind of use the comparing method. So first of all, we have to compare, we're assuming that the first value, the 0 value in the array, is going to be our largest number. And then we're going to write an algorithm to compare to the next number. We're going to say if this number is greater than this number, that is the greatest number. And vice versa, when we want to find the smallest number, we have to compare the first value in the array, which is the 0 placeholder in the array. We're going to compare this number to the next number, and if this number is smaller than this number, this is the new next number. So you're going to see it in my for loop. So first of all, we have to create an data type and a variable called max. We're assuming this is going to be the max. So we have to create an int value called max, and we're going to initialize it to our first array, which is 0. Then we're going to use the for loop because we want to loop all the numbers in the array. So for int I is equal to 0, and then I is less than to list dot length I plus plus. Now this is the trick when I was saying comparing the first number to the second number. So if list I is greater than max, So I'm saying if the next number in the list array is greater than the max value, max will be equal to list I. It is that simple. So assuming our first value was a 2 in the first array, that's going to be our max value. And then we're going to compare it to the new number, the second element in the array, or the first or second, third, fourth element. If the new number is greater than the max, then max is equal to the new number. And then the loop just keeps on going and comparing the two numbers until it finds the greatest value. So this is very important. The formula to find the largest element. Now we'll just do a simple print statement. The largest element in the array is, and we'll just call it max. Now we can just do and copy and paste this for the lowest element, sorting the lowest element. So I'm just going to copy and paste this and make sure to change everything. So copy and paste this, max will turn into low, list 0 stays the same, and I equal to 0, I equal to list, I plus plus, good. If list I is less than, not greater to now, to low, then low is equal to list I. The lowest element in the array is input low. Let's give this a try. Okay. Printing the random numbers 36, 70, 39, 43. So assuming 70 is going to be the greatest number, awesome. The largest element in the array is 70. The lowest element in the array is 9, and 9 is the lowest number. So just a recap. So you have to create your first array, the size of the array, put random numbers into the array, print the random numbers in the array, and then create a max variable and use this formula in the for loop to find the largest value. And you can just copy that, and then it's the opposite for the lowest value. So I hope you like this tutorial and give this a try. Thank you.